Hi guys, Del here, welcome to the channel. Today I thought we'd take a look at one of my next projects, is the LK35. I managed to pick this one up. It's brand new basically, so you get some good deals out there, unmarked. We'll take a closer look at this pack and I thought we'll have a look at it. There's loads of channels out there do modifications of these, like MCB, Bushcraft, also Prepper in the Woods and stuff like that, and there's whole groups on it on Facebook about modding these, but I'm not going to do anything drastic with this. We'll have a look at it and I'll explain what just the small modifications I'll do with that. Hope everyone's staying safe out there and getting on with this weather and getting on with the backyard bushcrafting. Unfortunately we kind of run out of things to do a little bit as trying to get out and keep the channels going and just trying to keep everything going in the lockdown, things like that. It's a bit difficult for all of us, but we'll get there. Keep your chin up and keep at it. So let's take a closer look at the LK. So here we have the LK35 Swedish backpack. The reason it's called the 35 is it's a 35 litre backpack. It's got the old ladder fastener clips. These are pretty old age, really, old technology. It's a lot better than the plastic clips that break all the time. So it's also got the external two loops, which is here for putting your axe and your shovel through. I really like these. It's the old framework too. These were designed so that you could strip off the pack itself and use the frame to carry anything from radios to fuel, water, etc., firewood and stuff like that. It's quite simple how it all fastens over, all loop system, things like that on the bottom, the clips. So one of the common replacements is the straps. These are the really really basic straps that you see, the strap mods. So they're not comfortable, they're not padded or anything like that. So they'll be coming off and I'll replace those just with a padded straps off an old Army issue Bergen I've got. So I'll replace that on. I'll also put a grab handle. As you can see, there's no grab handle. You just grab the frame under there. Pretty uncomfortable. And when it's full, if you've got a bedroll or something on the top there, then you've actually got nowhere to grab. So I'll put a grab handle on that. It does have a belt, a waist belt. I'll show you that. It's on a yoke system. The side pouches. So the side pouches is just the standard Swedish Army side pouches. Now I was looking online and Bushcraft do the full Swedish Army yoke set for like a tenner. So you get new pouches, the yoke, the belt. So I'm actually thinking I'm going to buy that and double the pouches up on it, which should be quite good. So as you can see, they're on the old system on the back, the old clip system, a bit like our old standard 58 pattern. You see it there? So it's just the old clips, so it is robust like that. You've got plenty of external straps on it, so we can double up for your bedroll, sleeping system, anything like that. You can even strap it to the bottom, strap your machete to it, strap your tool to it. Idea if you want. One of the rocking horse things to get is the LK35 patch, the leather patch on that. So loads of people put the different ones. If you check out Joe, Prepper in the Woods, he put his own badge on it, which is pretty smart actually. I like that. So with this came the belt. So that's the standard waist belt that'll go on it. I just need to attach it on. It's not badly padded, that, and the plastic clips on it. It's got the additional webbing belt, extra webbing belts, the standard issue, same as what's on the side. We can make additional pouches to that when we sew it on for additional pouches. Because as you can see, that's the water bottle pouch, so that goes onto the side, just onto the side of the belt. We can clip that on, stitch it onto the belt and clip that on, and then that's just another yoke system, as you can see. So if you want to take it off and carry it separately, you can. So there's your yoke. We can attach the yoke and the belt and the pouches. It's a bit like our issue Bergens of the British Army with the side rocket pods. Take them off with the Bergens. Same thing, yoke, pouches. You can make a separate carry with it. Now, I'll buy a separate pack, like I said, for a tenner. You can't fault it. You can pick up all this extra rigging, and I'll probably put another patch on it somewhere. So for me, it's not going to be anything too modded on it. I'm just going to sew the pouches on, add a grab handle on the back, and change the straps to it. That's all I'll be doing to it, so nothing too bad. But I like these. You know, internally, loads of room, even the extra pouch, and there at the back as well. You can see the waterproof lining. So I think it's a great pack. A lot of people put the foam, the bedroll in it to pack it out, so it keeps its shape. But that's the LK35 and its accessories, and that's going to be my future project. So I'm looking forward to doing that. Just unfortunately, just now trying to get hold of the leatherwork kit and things like that to get the needles and the thread. Bit difficult, but that's it. That's the LK35 that I will be doing at some point once we can get the gear. So keep watching for that. As always, guys, thanks for watching the channel. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. Stay safe out there, keep sane, and keep everyone safe. Prepper Del out.